So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uche and I'm a forex trader. So what I basically do here is to record my forex journey and then I post it out here for you guys to view. So guys, I think for some time now I've been unable to make any videos for you guys. I've been unable to post, though I've passed my profile account, right? But I'm in drawdown due to NFP on Friday. So today is Monday. I'm looking. Let me show you guys what I'm looking out for on the market, right? So let me show you guys what I'm looking out for. Am I looking for a buy or am I looking for a short? What's the market currently doing? So guys, without any further ado, because I don't want to waste too much of our time, let's jump right into the video. I believe you can see my screen right now. I believe you can see my screen. So this on gold, this on XAUUSD. As you all know, that this the pair I majorly trade, right? This is like my major pair, right? So let's go down to the weekly. So guys, if you want to start analyzing gold, it's better or any pair, right? It's better to start from the higher time frame so that you can see what the market is currently doing, right? You can see the overall picture of the market. So looking out here, we can see that gold has been on a massive bullish trend, right? Gold has been on a massive bullish trend. You can see that trend right around here. Let me get this trend right here. You can see that trend. Look at we have this low, we have this high, we have this low, we have this higher high, have this lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we have a what? Higher high. And if you've been on this, if you've been with me for a while, you know that what I trade on gold is um, frequency and resistance. That means I believe that gold moves from one zone to another, right? In form of support and resistance, right? So over here, this is where I'm paying attention to, right? What am I seeing over here, guys? You can all see that this is a double top formation, right? Which means, and this is on the weekly, guys, which means that gold is about to move super bearish, right? Because a double top formation is a bearish what reversal pattern. So that's making so much. Let's start marking out our zone. So from this right here, I can see a zone around here. Let me make it as small as possible. Zoom out. I can see a zone around here. Let me use my trend line too. So I can see this zone around here, right? And you can see that gold has already broken what that zone. This is what I look at for on the weekly, right? So this is what I can see. This is what I can see from it. So what is this telling me? Just this information, what is it telling me? It's telling me that gold has what rejected from this our second leg, right? And it's now going down. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting gold to drop to this zone around here. This zone around here. Right. So I'll go ahead and place this horizontal ray right there. So you can see how I'm making it easy. So where am I paying attention? Now I'm paying attention when gold will move from this zone down to this one zone. So you can see I might even be swinging it, right? I might just be swinging it. This will be a massive drop. Right. So guys, now we are down on the what daily time frame. So why am I coming down to the daily time frame today? I'm just coming down here to confirm that the market, what the market is showing me on the weekly is actually what's playing out on the also the daily. So on the daily, I'm still going to do the same thing. I can see my zone around here. You can see right here. I have a zone around here, right? We tag it as our daily. So this is one of our daily zones, and you can see another one above here, right? So what this simply means is if market starts to retrace, I'm expecting it to start shorting from here to this downside, right? But if the market should, in case the market miss this zone right here, break above it, right? That means it will be coming probably to this zone to what drop. Also what drop. So you can see that in our daily we are having a very clear bias, right? We're having a clear bias of short trend. But this might not have this this thing that we just said now might not even happen this week, right? Might not happen this week, it might not happen next week, right? Market might just decide to start consolidating around that zone, right? So with all this in our head, let's move down to the 4 hours, right? These are like 4 hours and the 1 hours are like my major zones. This is where I mainly look out for what is currently. This is where my trades, right, are based on. So on my 4 hours, you can see that after the NFP last week, you can see this massive bearish move because the NFP came out bearish, right, on gold, but bullish on USD, right? So you can see that we have a very bearish market. So over here, you can see that our 4 hours is actually correlating with our daily time frame. There is no need coming here to mark out, although you might just pick up something like this, but that's it. Let me just mark it out. But it's actually correlating with our daily zone. It's actually correlating with our daily zone. So these are our 4 hours. Right. So guys, you can see that the market is making more sense as you go lower. Right. You can also see that from the daily zone, you have this zone that the market is currently at. Right. So let's go to back to our 4 hours. So if the market should miss this our 4 hours zone and miss this daily zone, there is a possibility that it's going to react at this neckline right here, this line right here, right? So we should keep that in mind. So now, guys, this is the major zone where my entries are based on, where my entry is based on, right? So this is what I'm looking out for today in this market, right? This is what I'm looking at. As you can see, I'm making this very, very snappy. I want to make it very snappy, right? So what I'm looking out for right now in this market is for this market to break above this current uh, neckline right here, this current zone above here, right? Then I'll be placing a limit order to tap me in when the market retreats and to move me back up to this daily zone. And this daily zone will be like take profit, my final take profit, right? So if you look at this now, you see that we are having a lot on our plate, something like this. Yeah, something like this, right? So guys, this is what I'm looking out for. I'm looking out for a buy for this, like for the at the moment I'm looking out for a buy, right? But if the market should get to this zone right now, I'll start looking for a bearish reversal pattern, right? Maybe a head and shoulder pattern, double top formation, and I will look for a break of what structure. Guys, always look out for that change of character or break of structure, right? So like something like this, then a break. And I might be looking out for something like this on our 4 hours or on our 1 hour, and the 4 hours on the 1 hour. So that is just it. I believe you understand what I just did. Let me just recap what I just did. So I said that if you come to our weekly, right? If you come to our weekly, we are having a bearish reversal pattern, which is a what? A double top formation. And you can see that we had a bearish engulfing candle right here, right? The market pulled back up and that means pushed it back down. So guys, one thing you have to know is that whenever you are trading in the financial market, the overall move, right, is always what the news is going to follow. 90% of the time, let me not say 100%, like 90% of the time. Whenever you come to the weekly time frame and look at the trend and it's bullish, whatever news that is coming out throughout that week, especially NFP, is going to be bullish. Right? If the market is bearish on the higher time frame, that means that news is probably going to be what? Bearish. So that is what happened last week, although I was unable to catch it. And then you can see that we have already broken this neckline on our weekly. Look at it here. We've broken this neckline, right? So that is why I'm expecting more of bearish moves. I'm expecting, like, I'm very bearish on this market. So if you come to our daily, you can see this consolidation. Uh, what do they call this again? So you can see we had a consolidation around here, pushed up, then it dropped massively, right? Pushed up to this zone. You can see just what I was explaining. Pushed up to this zone, right? And then I dropped. So where I lost last week was at this fake out, right? I thought the market would maybe move to this zone before the news, then drop. So I was expecting that sell, but I was expecting market to maybe push to this zone. So what am I expecting from the daily? The daily is not telling me that the market is coming back to this daily zone here, right? Market is telling me that the market is coming back to this daily zone here. And once the market enters that daily zone, because once market enters this daily zone, I'll be looking out for a what? A bearish reversal pattern, a bearish reversal pattern. Looking out for a bearish reversal what? Pattern to the to shock to the what? Downside. Like I said, guys, I might be swinging this market. I might be swinging it because there is a lot to catch here. And if you want to trade it daily, you might not be able to get all the entries because markets will fly down. Because you can see what happened here. There is no zone for the market to catch on, right? To and then continue. So market might just start dropping and you'll be heading pump to the downside, right? So that is what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting. So I'm still bullish for today, right? I'm bullish for today. I'm expecting market to break, retest, and then push. But if the market should break this zone, right, to the downside, retest, I will also push the down. But I'm more bullish than bearish for today. I'm more bullish than bearish. So guys, that's it for gold this morning. That's it for gold this morning. So guys, I'm actually thinking of analyzing like other pairs for you guys, right? Though the only trade that I take or the only pair that I trade is only gold, right? It's only gold that I trade, but I'm just looking into it, right? So guys, make sure to do your own research and then stick to your bias, right? But what I'm just showing you right here is my own bias, what I'm looking out for, right? So guys, that is it. Thanks for watching my video and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video so it can be referred to as much people as possible so that other people can see what I'm seeing, right? And then maybe it might collaborate with what they are looking at. So guys, thanks for watching. Keep the people